Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey! Up day. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave for me bad mind. It can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Yo go yo, yo go yo, yo go yo, yo go yo. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Ragashanti live on the big bad TikTok and thing. And we have a subscriber. Conrad, big up yourself, you know, Conrad, large up yourself. Brand new subscriber and thing. And just in time, Conrad, we have a sub live today after the show. So when we finish the show early, we are going to break, we are going to, segue over into our outer order sub live this evening for about an hour and a half or so. So Conrad, big up yourself. People, what the show go on? If you see me, I pull back this. And a young boy foolish this, The reason why is because on the customers and say, know if white they are so, people complain to them have problem for read the writing, the comments, right? Right? So people them complain to any of my, I can't wear my white shirt, and I love my white shirt, them seeing. So I still think I can't read it. I don't know. Just look like I can't read it still. But anyway, the people them complain. So if you see me I pull back this, so it's just to kind of accommodate them people. All right, greetings, Blessings and respect to the eye, them and thing. Big up on yourself in the afternoon. Everything is everything. And sitting, rocks and large up yourself. Blessings. Munchi say she be it. Munchi say. Let me see what Munchi say in our chat. She says something in our chat. Oh, Cam. We have another subscriber to Cam. Big up yourself. Cam, big up yourself, okay? All right. All of my subscribers, then big up on yourself. Munchi, this is... Hi, Raga, please be nice to me today. My beard and swap up 3 times. Liar, pants on fire. Not true. If I want somebody now swap up 3 times, I'm Munchi. People bless upon yourself in a greeting. Big up all for bathroom clean. Bless yourself if you know your belly full right. I know you're not hungry because many of you probably knew what it was like to be hungry back in the day. When white squall used to nah up on a nastiness when money now run and all them something there. Big up all who have good shoes to wear every day because on the shoes used to beg bread. Big up all who have some nice shoes to wear because back in the day you used to have to carry your shoes, go shoemaker to make them put on a new heel and all them something there. Big up all who are hyping at some bad sneakers when they not work out and thing because you don't know what it is to wear crepe. Big up all who are name their hype when they not vacuum in the room them and thing like that and whatever because you don't know what it... Well, Ellie, since you ask, it's here. Ellie's like, oh, no juice with ice today? Yes, juice with ice today. Beetroot, again, on the block. Okay. Beetroot, where the problem with the beetroot, is that it left a whole heap of red by your mouth, you understand? Yeah, So after you drink a beetroot, you have to be careful for wipe off your mouth, Because when I walk around and people I ask you weird questions, like, why did I eat make so much red dip on your mouth and all them something? No, all who some of you drink it without ice. Is me want to drink it with ice because me want it refreshing and know it is it's best not diluted and thing, but when me just a chill, me want something with ice. When they put me case somebody here with this ice thing. Long my man. Me want it with ice. Yeah. Sassy, what you drinking? You know, so me just say when me I drink. And I talk about what me I drink. Me just say, Antasha, big up yourself, you know. Big up my SDC ladies and my ANC ladies and thing. Big up my good SDC ladies. Raga love you all. Just know that, all right? Blessings and respect. So me I say with the beetroot, it's when you drink it, it lift. All right, look on the beat. You see that? Again, you know? Because it's like raw, unadulterated beetroot, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit too much ginger in it, you know? Yo, back in the day, I don't know where Jamaicans get this thing from, but them have this thing I say if you eat too much pepper, or if you eat too much ginger, but then most of the pan it with pepper, say it make you miserable and temperamental and you're cranky and you're cantankerous and all this thing. I don't believe it, but a lot of Jamaicans do. Pepper first, mostly pepper, but they also think the same of ginger. So if you eat too much ginger, and especially pepper, you cross all the time, you know? But I think I put too much ginger in this, but it's not too bad. You know what I say? Can work with it, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, man, it can work. Wait, sure, you're back. Big up yourself, sure, we'll see you. Manipulation, bogayo. Is that pressed or blended? Pressed. Any juice you see me with, blended. No. Any berries you see me with, blended. Anything else, pressed. My celery juice, them, press. Beetroot, press. Carrot, press. But strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, you know, blended. Yeah, man, so we don't want nobody come vex up on me and start throw a word on me and sitting and whatever later on. So we're going to switch over to a sub-live later on from the regular show. So we'll make sure so people get them regular show before we switch over to the sub-live and all these things later on. But I want to do, all is well, on a good. Do I need to do a location roll call today? Probably not, right? Probably not. Carly Hunter, she's cooking her curry chicken and carrot dumpling with banana if I want some. That sounds good. If I want some. It's seasoned properly. If I don't know, I don't like how them people they cook it, you know. C-Star Jerkut, big up yourself. Sure, so can we find me a great man? Sure. From last Tal say 3 weeks it's season for Tal, all you know they do. How you pronounce your name? Tal. Oh, you know so that how much you name the season up that the food there for 3 weeks. Sure. So can we find her a great man? What the hell is that? Somebody just sent something out. Oh, Queen Nash, big up. Again, people, sure, so can we find her a great man? All right, people sure want to go look man for you. Yo, sure, you want them? Sure, you know, it's not easy, though. Sure no mean nothing about it, no take time with her. Take time with her. Sure say, can we, the group, TamFam, find her? Sure, a great man. All right, people. Sure, I ask you to look for your man for her. Wanna go look man for sure. Now, we're gonna do that day thing something then one day, like once a month and thing. Manipulation. Great man. Then why would I give up a great man and me want one? Yeah. Don't it, manipulation. Why would I give up a great man go give share when you want one right now, don't? So what you say, sure, if you go look at one a great man, don't? Why someone can't help sure look a great man? Sure, Raga, everyone is typing your name. Are you the great man? Sure, you see you? You think me don't know why your speed is? You ain't sure you think me not read the play? Yeah, I know some man always going like me not sense all the while, sure. You think you easy? And some man always going like me a beanie board and coffee and thing all the while, man. Sure, we know what go on, sure. You think you easy? Yeah, there's a truth. You look at hinting them. Sure. Yes, man, say good as Raga belong to Kevin. You see how they sitting red up my tongue? It's not a good thing, man. You want to walk around with a red tongue, The tongue too red, I don't know. That might get you in problems, you know what I'm saying? Tal, go on and leave me alone. Leave me alone. Baby lips, leave me alone. All right, you know what we did. So hold on, before we get to, we don't know, so we're on, what you call it, Kimberly, when Pickney used to get caning at school, like, that should be you, like some caning, whap, 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 whap. So we still up on Bonaman mix-up, Bonning mix-up or any other mix-up. Bonning mix-up or no, Marie, this is not a sub-live, you would know. The sub-live will be later on. We're going to transition from the regular show over into the sub-live at a time of my choosing, because I'm here on the show. And so with the Bonning mix-up or any other mix-up on Bonning mix-up or any other mix-up, as usual, you don't know no stay, it have to be like a little warm-up or go on first before you start coming with the call them. Why? I don't know. Gone are the days when you get the calls them early from Uberman, but on a bus up Uberman head and thing, I make Uberman take away himself. Marie G, you just subscribe? Oh. So I never see when Marie subscribe. I never see that come up. But you obviously subscribe. I see the Raga beside your name and thing. Yeah. Oh, last night. Oh, you did it last night. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, cause on the bus up Uberman head, I make Uberman take away himself. Cause Uberman used to be first in line, man. Right? Uberman used to be first in line. I want to bust up him head and thing. But a Uberman bust him on head still, so we know that. Hey, greetings. Wagwan Chumpy! Oh, yes.
Wagwan.
Oh, sure, just subscribe. Sure, big up yourself. Yeah. We are say Chumpy.
But there, not easy.
I walk cooler, man, see.
So my car before, because I'm there me and I'm going to Brooklyn tonight, so my car before me start drive.
Seeing.
I want to clear up something from last night,
All right, go ahead.
No, because a lot of people misunderstand when they say me to call me a yank. We don't chat patois, so everybody can hear me clearly.
Yeah.
The whole question was asked to share about a 2-month conversation. Remember?
Yeah.
Which she answered me in the she answered me in the group that she wasn't talking to the person on a regular basis.
Right.
It wasn't about me within 2 months asking any woman for sex. It's about a conversation that you're having with the person. If you're talking to a person, which let me finish. If you're talking to a person and within a certain time period, if you don't ask them about likes and dislikes about that particular subject, for most men, you're not, is either you have somebody else to deal with and you're not interested in that person, or you just friend zone the person from jump. You see the look on your face and you look puzzled.
Listen, man, because you know, so nothing different just now than what you say yesterday, you know.
No, because I think a lot of people think that I was talking about within that time period, me ask a woman for sex. Remember, I know, with my conversation when it came out, as a person who was a player from back then. Remember, I never said anything. Is Forever Blessed who came out and said, well, I was talking to a few people in the group and this is something from my past, you know, with a while back then.
Yeah.
So nothing no get pardoned. You deal with a certain case, you deal with it. But as you get older, you change. So I was talking in reference of back in my player days. It's not a present thing, because we're in our 50s. We're not going to do the same thing where we used to do in our 20s, 30s, and 40s.
True.
You know what I mean?
True.
So that's where that came from. But some people I saw like probably 3 people who really understood, because they know my story in here. Like Queen Nash, Cheryl, Daniel, they know my story. You know, like God have a great sense of humor. For men like me, I don't know if you have daughter. He gave us daughters.
I have one daughter. My last child is a daughter.
All right. Yeah. He gave us daughters. Which changed my view towards certain things. Right? Because I'd never want my daughter to talk to me in my 20s, meet somebody like me in my 20s. 30s,
Understood.
The person I was.
Right.
I love my girls. I respect women. But a lot of people are new and they don't know my conversation. I taught my story. I tell my story in here like twice. So the people who I met in here from earlier.
Well, Chumpy, you never, the distinction where you just make, you never make it before, yesterday.
I didn't get a chance.
No. You had more than chances to make it. I'm going to rough you up.
Rough me up.
No, you had more than chance to make it.
I didn't get a chance.
No, you're going like you're blood clot, generally. You come here, so no one try build back and a twist on the blood clot thing and whatever. Nah, you didn't have a chance. Anyhow, yesterday you did say, nah, man, when you're a young boy and you're in your teens and 20s and thing, 2 months you talk to a girl, they bring her. Everybody would understand you right away, Chumpy. I never that you did say.
No, but listen. When I come towards the conversation, remember say you had defend a certain level of the conversation, Remember that, You were saying your piece, and when me attack, you attack. So I not get fit even going and say what me really want to say.
You see, when you say, listen to Master Raga now, you see when you say you never get a chance, the implication is we were so overwhelming with you that you did not get a chance to say what you actually wanted to say. And that being the case, we misinterpreted you because we overwhelmed you. That is what you imply. All right, listen, no, this is what you're going to say now, Chumpy. No.
I'm listening. I listen
This
to
is
you.
what
I
you're
have
going
a
to
big brother.
say. No, this is what you're going to say now, Chumpy. You're going to say, after some reflection, I realized I should have articulated an important distinction that would have enabled a better comprehension of what I wanted to communicate, which is that I should have said something along the lines of, yes, when young men are talking to women in teenager and whatever, it is quite common of them to want to bring up something to do with sex within the first 2 months. If you say that, everybody would agree with you. But you have to be careful, or you come now and I say,
just young men. Yeah, go ahead. Not just young men.
All right, Chump.
No, go ahead. Say it.
No. You switch it again.
No, I'm gonna switch it.
Yes, you did. You just did. You say you did a talk about young men. Some say, all right, you made an important distinction. And then me I say, if you did say that, the whole I would have get it. And after me gone in all of this thing, I say, no, man, we see the distinction now. And the whole I get, you switch it again and you say, not just young men.
No, but me I say not just young, but you have men who are up in our age who still do it. I have friends who will talk to me and tell me these things, who confide in me and tell me these things. You're not gonna just say, well, it's just young men. I don't do it.
All right.
Like me say, may have two girls who give me a different outlook on things. And you have a daughter, I'm sure you don't move the same way because you want your daughter to be a certain way. You know what I mean? You want them you want them stay away from certain people. Like how we were in our 20s.
Yeah.
You don't want somebody like us. Your daughter bring somebody like us, you know what I mean? How we were.
Trumpet, that's a whole different subject you're dealing with from what we talked about yesterday, you know. That's a different subject. It's a different focus, yeah.
Yeah, but people thought I was talking about sex and, in that conversation, like you're talking about having sex with them.
All right.
Which it wasn't.
All right, Papa. All right, Papa.
All right.
All right, Chumpy. And see if they on the road when you drive. People, Chumpy is a truck driver, so, it's short then when the man drive hours and hours. So see if they out there on the road too, all right?
Yeah, man, little more.
Mad thing, my brother. Cool.
Evening, TamFam. What's going on?
Why go down? What's up with you?
Then I'm a burning mix up in a but boy. Yeah, one little thing where right now I'm just at peace, but I feel annoyed like in a dash of some old things in our life, but it's like to all the man I go and it's like the more you have to pick it back up.
Well, let's hear it.
All right, me and you tell go on for a couple months. And I'm like, okay, the past me I got change and things that we used to do. Like I now do no more. Shh. Can you get out of my face and let me do my thing, please? That's what me always go lock up in that bathroom. Yes, sorry. So yeah, so the things, you dash with certain things, and as I say, you say, okay, you go just focus on this one person. Because, everywhere you go, people are going to like you. People are going to tell you how much they like you and they're interested in you. But if you know, say, okay, you going to just focus on one thing. So, I mean,
yeah.
We separate, not separate, but I had to relocate, and it's a good distance from the person now, and certain privilege what I did have, me not have no more, and him know certain things, and is like him agree, but then and again him a pressure the things. I'm like, all me care here is me have man when me dey, me have man when me dey. I'm like, you know what? It's getting really annoying now because I know like me can't have man. I choose not to have anybody else. You know what I mean? Like
Okay.
people who love cheat, love accuse people because you can video call me morning, noon, and night and get me, and I'll answer. And if I call you a certain time, you can't answer me. Or if you plan to see me, you have to tell me say later on. You have to make me know how it go. Then if I'm me alone, how comes that?
Oh.
That not sound weird, Raga?
Well, if it's a pattern, then there is an imbalance there, obviously, yeah.
Right.
If it's a pattern, if it is something
Yeah, it's
repetitive.
a pattern because for me, I'm in a sense not say fully devoted, but things that you're saying, the action is not outlined with your words. Can you get out of my phone, please? No, excuse me. I'm sorry. She's looking at you. Yeah.
What? What?
With the 4-year-old coming
Yeah.
to the phone.
Yeah, don't let your kids look at ogres and monsters, okay?
Yeah.
It's not good. It's not good for their optical health, all right? And then
Come here, baby. Come here. Come tell me how this person look. You like this person?
what do you do? What you do? What
The
you
person
do?
nice?
Yeah.
Or the person ugly?
Pretty.
Pretty, handsome. All right, we're done right there.
Yeah, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done.
Yeah, we're done right there because
Yeah.
she didn't say ugly, and today she called somebody ugly. She saw me speaking to somebody on the phone and said, "Ooh, he's ugly," and ran away. So,
Well, she was mistaken just now because Raga pop down,
well, in her eyes, it's pretty.
Nah.
Pretty.
Yes. Yeah.
But yeah, there's a pattern. Go to the room here, sorry. So there's a pattern. So that's why I'm like, you can see me and talk to me at any given time. But yet still, if you said you want to see me, I can't say come now. You're going to tell me you let me know later.
Yeah, that's kind of shit.
And you're the one constantly accused of having somebody, finding somebody, or you find new man, or you this, or you that. You know, that's just like, yeah.
Yeah, man. There are very often people who, they project and gaslight the very thing that they're guilty of, and in their mind, whether consciously or unconsciously, they think they're distracting you from what they're doing or whatever. And sometimes them just insecure because through them know, say them chicky fry and them a ginal and them a sam fry or whatever, them feel like except them always have to guard themselves because people are going to do the same thing with them I do to people, So you do have
And
that.
that's how I know it be people who normally cheat always love accuse people because me go around him and me see 1 and 2 sign when me could have accused him. But listen, I know who he was before him claim to say, him changed because me alone put him in this situation where him a focus on me alone, but yet still the actions are not aligned with the words. And this is what we women like to see in a man when the action is aligned with the words.
Right. So, but when you said like we are.
You want an example of what me I say?
No. You said the way my behavior make you want to go back to rule a certain way.
Yeah, come me Yeah, but that two of them did start talk up to the same time, but I chose him over the other person because the other person make me know say, hey, only thing me can offer is not a relationship but intimacy. So may I say it would have been just a sexual thing. And he was upfront, and this person did say, okay, me know him did while and stuff, but him stop run up and down and him just want to settle down. Right? But then after getting me, the talk just changed. Then him start, oh, he want us to live together. Then now him like, the other day I'm like, you still thinking about this because we're going a 6 month now. You still what about living together? Oh, we have to sit down and talk about it because you look controlling. And this is somebody I know for years, but we just start get intimate.
Well on. BG, I go check the chat. BG B man, I don't even know the pronunciation. BG by Mel say, I don't even want a man to talk. Just keep it cute and on mute. Action alone. Boom. Is it just you right there?
Let's
Just
run.
keep
Me get so pissed off because me tell her why I'm really said tonight because I don't need nobody to tell me what to do because me keep us to the person. So
Oh, well on. 23, me don't even know what kind of name that you have this. All right, 23, big up yourself. Sorry, man. A long time from. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Yes.
So as we say, as woman, we don't need a man for know say you tell you one thing, but you do a different thing because I have options. And if you're gonna accuse me, which I already said today, well, if you're gonna give me the name, better much. And if me have to go burn you, I just left you and done. Cause me not in a that.
So what you say, you not bear the name and play the game?
Bear the name and not play the game. Can send a rope not around me, not hold me, not time me. Me not have no conversation with him, and him just this. And if I one time me just send him up under wherever and send him and do a sort of disrespectful things. Me no business if I me and you sleep together.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, I pay my bills and I do everything, but I'm changing from that disrespectful female who is so independent that I think that if a man step to me, I go this him and go my way, but just calm down and say, you know what? Pay you no mind until you cool down.
Yeah.
It don't make no sense.
Okay, me hear what you say for real. But it sounds like you do that woman thing, they were slow transition,
That's what I was doing. And then me know the other day until the next man say, hey, I get intimate with somebody now, and the person back off. So for some reason the person just started text me up back yesterday now and I said, wow.
And feel the energy. I'm feeling the energy. I'm feeling so like,
why? So, me I say, why you just have time because the person job require them, to be so busy that me not text them, me let the person text me, and like, if you want to see me, then they will reach out to me. So I say, hey, I start get intimate with somebody, me not in that. Me leave that alone. I'm gonna feel how we are now. Me I feel like, if I have to draft for the person, because the person nice, but now he's changing the whole concept of only thing you have for this because get nothing from all along.
No, but at least you might keep it 100 with you and say, yo.
That's why I prefer a man who is real. Tell me the thing, I'm gonna go and juggle it. But me now, yamed. Things say, okay, this man promise say, oh, I done while I'm want settle down now and gone for the settle down talk. And I get the action back at it.
No, me like the other one so like him a move right, We can't root for him,
What you just said a while ago?
No, me say the other one so like him a move right. We can't root for him. The one just say, yo, Beam, I tell you the truth, the relationship thing. It not go dead there, based on how my things set right, that not go dead there. But if we want to do a thing,
I just want peace.
if him say if we want to do a thing and whatever, you hold on where you hold on, me hold on where you hold on and thing, and if we're good, we're good. Now we're juggling, you understand? And it's your choice, at least he must straight up with you, though.
Yeah. The funny thing is the next one quick for tell me, oh, you have money, you have this, you have that. So I say, okay, block you, delete you, do everything. You find every way for come round for get in contact with me. Oh, so you mash up the people and wipe in the head after you go fling up good things for them.
All right, boy. I'm gonna take some other call, but you sound to me like, you know what you have to do for you, you know?
I don't know me I do Ragas.
All
I not
right.
start yet, but I don't know the move. Yeah,
You
man.
don't know.
Yes,
Yeah.
thanks.
Angle
Good.
your business, man. Angle your bangle, man. All right.
Angle, bangle, yeah. Tell
All
them I
right.
got set it up. Cool.
All right. Cool, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
Cool.
All right. That's something there. Yeah, when you and somebody a juggle and them constantly I blame you for something. Constantly I blame you for something. Yeah. And can't let it go. It's either you really do something, because if you move monkey and somebody constantly blame you and thing away, whether because you move monkey, you just give out sign, say, you're up to something and you're going with something. So sometimes the people that are really up to something and are going with something, and then partner say them a move monkey. They them flip it and do the gaslighting thing. You're too insecure, man, I do nothing and whatever, and but them really I do something, But if you not do nothing and the person constantly blame you and thing based on for them insecurity or based on some baggage or some trauma or them a carry over from some past relationship or thing, or based on a profound inequality or incompatibility between both persons. For example, a man who not really 100 in some very obvious way, and go time we have to go get hot girl and can't manage a hot girl and then insecure about the hot woman, the man they who just use money for old woman and thing, but him know, all things being equal without the money, that woman they would have never be with him and whatever. And the man that just get up every day and insecure and thing and want to lock down the hot woman and all them something and whatever. When I don't fear her fall, you go pick up hot woman and whatever and then you're insecure about her because, you think so you can't keep her and whatever and all them thing. So you use your money drawing and then you want to put her in a prison and thing. With something like that, another woman fault, a man fault. And the converse is true. You have woman who pick up hot man or pick up top man or whatever. And there are things about them on 100 either. And them run down the top man. And 200 other man I look them, but them want the top man. And when they get the top man now and whatever. Why won't you just commit to me? Men don't know what they want or whatever. No, be you run go and pick up top man down. You think the top man easy for all? Marsh, pick up yourself, If you know what you do with them something there. Pick up when you can manage your people. Right? Enough time what people define as the best or what them deserve and thing. You have to keep it 100 with yourself. You have to keep it 100 with yourself. All right. We can't get access to that person. But one of the biggest mistake enough people make, is them know what them want and them know how them feel if them get who them want. And they get so focused on that. Them know what them want, them know what them think them deserve, and them know how that make them feel. And them either don't come to a frank and accurate conclusion about how that person feel about them. Them just believe what them want to believe about how the hot girl or the top man supposed to feel about them, as opposed to just keep it 100 about how them feel about you. And how them feel about you may not be where you would want it to be. And if I des of them there, you feel know, all right, I'm going to stay night. Then stay night and just juggle with it and thing, But don't fool yourself about where you're going to put yourself in with somebody who you consider way up yourself. But somehow you have some kind of construction about yourself, like you deserve this or you up this. Sometimes you're not up there. Yeah. Sometimes you're not up there. Sometimes I tell all my brethren and thing and whatever, and them say, oh, this and that about confidence and whatever, confidence. Me don't want no stress from nobody. Right? Me don't want no stress from this one back in idea too, you start read the game and you say, and I like say you don't have confidence and whatever. You just know say, me and a person can juggle, but I be a problem I got happen because the person they want so and so and so. And me not they so and so and so. What wrong if you face that? Or if you say, well, the person they are pre so and so and so, But me know me not have so and so and so, but the person kind of like me because so and so. But me know it's not really me. So make me just go and have some fun. And you keep it 100 because you know, say, Ray, if that person they see what them really want, them are going to go after what them really want and drop you like, just get, And if you have some woman, them understand that, You have some woman with some top man, Right? I have some of my sisters, them there with some big man, top man, And them the fool themselves about in love and why me and these other people, them would just say, yo, Raga, you see that man there now? A man they have a bag of woman, Yeah, man, a man they have a heap of woman, man. But you see, as long as him not bring certain disrespect in my face, I'm good, When I'm my time, I know when me I get out of it. Where I get out of it. No, him take care of this, him take care of that, him take care of this, him take care of that. So you cool with it? No, I'm not cool with it. I just understand it. Me know who me there with. Me know who me I juggle with. Me know the type of man I there with. And it's my choice for juggle with him. Oh, so you're going to stay in this permanent. No, I just go and enjoy it right now. I don't know how to work out and thing, but I just go and work with it right now and thing. Some people will see that and say, oh, Ray, and you know the man they stay and you still gone in it, people. As long as you know where you are get out of it and you can work with it, that's fine. As long as you not fool yourself, right? No people them going and them something there and whatever and expect say somehow them special more than everybody else, right? Somehow them are gonna stand, some woman go there with all some proper gallus, and them know before, them man a gallus, and up a ball and what, you didn't know him a gallus before? Yeah, but he said that him love me. Yeah, that gallus say when forgetting a girl panty, and you don't know say him have a whole heap of woman. And if 99 other man did tell you say them love you, you just say love who? I can't hear that man, he must take me for fool. But love who? But whatever this and that. But because other man that you like, you got to talk about, yeah, but him say him love me. And you did want him. And you did want him. Go back to what the woman say. When a woman really want a man, really love a man, and really want, that man do have to lie to her, she will lie to himself. She will lie to herself about him. Yeah. So when 20 or 50 other man look you, and if them man they come up and tell us, I love you or whatever thing, all man who you spend more time around, because them just a anchor around you and whatever and this and that. And you know, give them no time a day and whatever, and them just do everything. Them a do the world for you, but none of them you want. Right? And when them man tell us that them love you, y'all look upon them as weak. Yeah. When them man tell you them devoted to you and thing, you look upon them as weak. When you call and you get anything and you ask for this and him say, oh, I am run gun gear, everything, you look upon them as weak. Clown that man. But the man where you are, you put up with all kind of bullshit from him. And then when we ask you, so why you do it? Because him say him love me and I believe him and what want from you, so man, now you want the man, right? Yo, so big up who keep it 100, Big up who keep it 100. Guillaume Smith. Hello. Bonsoir. Boning mix-up or any other mix-up and thing. Boning mix-up or any other mix-up and thing. Boning mix-up or any other... Wait. It's not because him say, it's because I love him. Don't get me started on that. Let me take some calm. But let me just put it in a nutshell. I understand, but on some level, it doesn't make any sense to me. How people can say that they're truly in love with somebody who not love them. And they will say it. They'll say, I love him, I love her. She love you? No, she don't love me, but I still love her. Him love you? No, I don't think him love me, him don't love me, But you love him. You're deeply in love with somebody who you are saying don't love you. The only time I can see some logic there is when the person used to treat you good before, when there was that mutual thing going on and there was that reciprocal thing going on in the good times. And I understand how some people have difficulty with that because they know what it was. And it is no more, but them keep on a hope it go back to what it was, hoping that it can go back to what it was. Those I can understand. Because it's like, no, this person had really loved me before. And I still love them. And I'm hoping for them to love me again the way that they loved me before. Will it happen? It will happen. But I can't understand them people. The one them I can't understand are the one them who will tell you flat out, no, she don't love me. You should treat me and think she don't love me. Whenever that happens, whenever you hear somebody, if anyone in that position, where you claim you deeply in love with somebody who you yourself will say, you know for a fact that that person don't love you and you don't know why they might treat you and whatever, it's never the person's problem. The problem is not with the person. The problem is with you. The dysfunctionality is in you. It's not the person. If you keep loving a person who don't love you and treat you like shit, even if the person is a monster in the way them treating you like shit, the problem is not with the person. The problem is with you. Which is very different from the deluded people who the person that treat them like crap and them say, oh, she loves me or him love me. You know them people are them head gone, and you say, we got a problem there, right? Because you have people treat them bad and then believe the person loved them. But the one them I understand are the one them, because that is an issue too, right? So that is a different discussion. But again, the one them with, I was just like, they will tell you, no, she don't love me. They will give you the reasons why the person don't. When they know the person don't love them. They'll give you the reason why them know say him no love her or she no love him. And then they will say, but I love him. Or I love her. And I feel them problem then. And none of them are the problem. You are the problem. You need to figure out what's going on with you why you keep holding on. There is some dysfunctionality there inside of you, psychologically, mentally, of course. There is some sort of psychosocial disorder that you don't understand about yourself that is resulting in you making the choice to stay in a situation that you are articulating with utmost clarity that the person does not in any way hold your best interest at heart in any way. You are the one saying it, but then I say I love the person. And me, yeah, man. You no love me? That's cool. I don't even hold it against you or whatever. If you reach a point and no love me and thing, you know, I'll be like, okay, that's cool. Oh my God. It's not even personal, you know, because anybody in that position, they almost always, they were in a situation when somebody want more from them that you weren't prepared to give. They too were in a position where somebody did love them or care about them more and you never did it. So what wrong if you find yourself in another position and know when, you know, somebody really did rate her like that or whatever, or somebody said and they rate him like that. And the person I rate her like that, so what? Right? You don't like everybody. Why you want everybody to like you? You don't like everybody who like you. So why you think say everybody who you like supposed to like you? Right? No work, someone. That's someone for grown in herself in a reality, yeah? If you're not dead, ain't not dead. If the person will see you like that, the person will see you like that. If you want to stay and go and enjoy yourself a little bit, then fine. If the person not going like them one style, you tell them fuck off. Who the fuck you think you is? Go about your business. All right, bye. And then come back with them generalship again. And don't call back my phone. Cut off. Learn, right? And I saw people respect you. Stop being sorry for yourself and I play a victim and I beg out the thing. No beg nobody for there with you. No beg nobody for love you. The only time you're supposed to, you know, whatever, is unless you do something really, really bad and you look forgiveness. That's the only time you can say, well, you're not the doggo, so you're going to be there for a while because no guarantee, but you want to see if, you know, the person that go come back, well, you have to take some beating for a while, you know, because you know say you did wrong, you know, you go low with so-and-so, you disrespect so-and-so, you did a violator all the while and whatever, and now you want to bounce back, you have to give them time to see if they want to be back with you. In them situation, they have to take a look at beating for a while, you know, right? But outside of that, never you beg anybody to be with you because 99% of the time, if you beg somebody for come there back with you, or beg somebody for keep you and all them something there, even if them come back, most of the time them don't respect you. Even if them come back and whatever, 9 times out of 10, them don't have no respect for you. 9 times out of 10, you're just like them plaything. 9 times out of 10, them act like them a do you a favor, even if them come back. 9 times out of 10, as soon as the little argument come, then you tell me for come back, or you tell me for this and allow my man and whatever, them feel them can style them way. Because you did beg them for come back, so them a do you a favor. So you need to be thankful that them come back and take you back and put up with them bullshit, because now they're entitled and them have a license to treat you like crap because it's you beg them for come back. People treat you the way you allow them to treat you. And if your behavior don't command respect out of people, you ain't gonna get it. I'm gonna say that again. If the way you carry yourself doesn't command respect from people, you're not going to get it. I'm begging somebody to come there with you, or, you know, don't leave me and them something there. That's just an emotional thing, you know. You're experiencing an emotional angst, and you don't like the feeling, the awful, empty feeling where you feel like your belly bottom a drop out, and the desperation and the anxiety. What you gonna do? What people are gonna think and whatever. And you start focusing on, and it make you feel this way. So what you want now is a pill. You need a pill for take with the bad feeling, cause you want to feel better and thing like that. And the pill that you think you want is them for say, all right, me go give you a chance and you feel better, but you're not thinking about the long term. Right? In terms of the, you know, the disrespect, you know, and the way you play yourself. And somebody don't want it, it might be difficult, particularly if it was good before. So it might be hard. Separation is hard. There's nothing wrong with that. But just ground yourself, man, when you go through them thing there. And just make somebody know, say, if we are gonna do this, and the two of you are gonna do this. Man, I beg you for do this. Right? And yeah, maybe you did make a mistake, or you did so and so, or this or that did happen, or whatever. But we are going to do this, and the two of you have to do it. Me not beg you for do it. And if you want to go, go. And if them try for guilt, you're not fighting for this, and fight for my ras. This I going to fight for the 2 hours for fight for it. If you, who you think you are? You special? Why me must kill up myself for you, and you not do the same for me? Fuck out of here. Yeah? All right. And what I'm talking about here, very, very common. I mean, everybody's situation is unique, but in terms of the common elements, very common in relationships out there. Very, very common. But you me telling the people, no one, that's something that we're, even in disagreement, nobody's perfect, but even in disagreements, you know, even in things were upsetting and all them things there, you want at a minimum people respect you. Respect is the foundation of relationships. Some people love to say it's trust, you know, because trust involves a lot more emotions than respect, you know. Trust causes pain, the lack of trust or the anxiety and whatever. So people tend to say, oh, it's trust, can't this and that, trust, I hate a liar and whatever, this and that. But really, it's respect. Put it another way. There are tons of people out there who people trust, but don't respect them. Right? Women can't tell you about tons of men who them trust, who are dead over them, but them just not respect them. I'm like, yeah, but yeah, I know he's in love with me and he will do anything for me, but me just can't. Even just have that something, you know? Yeah. Same thing with man, you know? Man know what if a woman who won't trust, but not respect them. Respect. And respect is not something you ask for. You must carry yourself in a way with people. And when somebody not like you, they respect you. And so, you know, so I don't like that boy, I don't like that girl, you know, but one thing with her, you know, she ever carry herself good, or she ever saw her, ever this and that, or, you know. Sometimes you have some woman and some man in a work, you know, but the woman, they must say, yo, a boy there, you know, well, girl, say, I look a drunk, you know, all war, you know, but one thing with him, you know, him always take care of this, do this and that, and him always solid and ill, and me say, Ray, him dead there and this and that, and him no left from picking them, and this, carry himself with respect. With woman, I say, you know, say, I'm a drunk with certain things and whatever, but one thing, I respect him, do it differently, you know? You want that something there. Yeah, respect are the foundation of all relationship. All successful relationships. All right? I better somebody respect you and the relationship no work than you're in the relationship and them no respect. You're going to be happier for that. Anyway, you know, the show does these things and these things happen and we go off and these things and whatever. But yeah. On the program, do remember sub live later, outer order sub live later, outer order sub live later. Okay. Yo, Ernie, big up yourself, you know, my general. Real G that, you know. I work, me not hear from them man, they like how long and whatever, and them man, they just, ever, you know what I mean? I say, real youth, man. Ernie, big up yourself, you know. So, hold on. 23.
Oi,
Oh, your pronounce your name. BJJ, what your name?
BJJ by Mel. Because remember, I do jujitsu. It's supposed to be a jujitsu page. But
Oh.
my kid left out me. Mix up.
What?
I mean,
So what?
my kid left out my mix up. But my page is supposed to be a Brazilian jiu-jitsu page. So, yeah, so you gotta see this up, man. You gotta say, what's she doing over here? But my kid left out out.
So it's BJJ by Mel.
Yes.
Oh, so that is interesting.
Why is that interesting? May I watch your face, you know? You're a troublemaker. Why is that interesting? Me.
No, I'm
me.
just saying, like, and you're really good at what you do, you know.
I am. I teach. I train.
People should win all the while and beat international people. And it's a self-defense, it's a form of martial arts.
Yes, if anybody want to do self-defense,
yeah.
hit me up.
But so it's BJJ by Mel.
Yes.
But you see, it's a good thing because, you know, some never see second J too tough, you know.
If I did the first one, it would be a subscription page.
Eh?
If it only had one J, it would be a subscription page.
I bet you that flyover moose on the head. I bet you that flyover enough on the head. I bet you enough on to get that one there a while ago. That bad. But because no, you preempt me a while ago because you obviously know where I'm going with this.
You know from where may I leave your speechless? May I get sharper? Like
No, you're getting good at this. You're getting good at it. Because you know my little warm up. Warm up to my punchline now.
You want stuff?
Yeah. You want warm me? I go to my punchline. I said BJ by Mel. And then my girl say, yo, if the other J never did, it would be a subscription piece. It over OnlyFans. I want. Yo. That, to my older listeners, like Miss Monica, who did come up on the chat.
You're not on Grand Pitney.
You have to ask your daughter, your son, or your Grand Pitney what happened a while ago because the one they can easily fly over your head and thing, you know. All
Make
right.
it plain. I want you to tell the woman them too.
Yeah.
If you had a bad experience previously with a guy,
and
you meet somebody new. That new guy, you gotta tell him say, your previous experience, if it comes up, the man treat you like a queen here. Because a lot of women, I don't know if you remember one time one lady did call a show and she said she used to be with one guy in Jamaica and him used to beat her, him do all these bad things to her. When she come up, the guy that she was dealing with, him asked her about her past and she said, oh, he treated me amazing. It was awesome. It was just, the distance separate us. Because when them find out where you used to deal with or where you used to tolerate, it's almost like it set the standard for, all right, this is what he can do with you now.
Right.
So, I tell you, if you don't meet somebody, especially if you're new to dating, let's say you date later on in life, you was married for a lot of years or so, and you just start date now, and you meet somebody, and over time, them ask about your past. Tell them, say, you was treated like royalty. Now, but I tell them, say, you used to get buff. And the man used to hold money from you. I'm used to abuse you. You don't have to wear that.
Oh,
I'm not going to use that against you.
Right. No, I like that, as long as when the person doing it, they don't, They're not
They
in
don't want.
a deluded state and believe, say, you know, as long as
Listen to
them know,
me.
say,
Tell them say you was getting
no, as long
treated
as
like
them know it
royal.
was bad, but me not make him know, say, it was bad.
Okay.
Right, good.
Perfect.
Good.
Yes.
Right. No,
Yes. You don't have to live. You don't have to be a victim forever, and he don't have to know you was a victim ever.
But what about the situations where somebody went through something like terrible, and then meet somebody now who, after a while, they know that they could open up to this person and be honest with them about what they went through, because they know that this person now, on knowing that about their past, will be better equipped to deal with them, you know,
Take it
in
to the Lord in
ways
prayer.
that other people can do. No, seriously, there are
No,
some
I'm
people.
serious.
I
hold
wouldn't
on. Advise it.
You
Maybe I don't have
it.
enough experience in that because I have not experienced that, so I don't have much experience. But in my personal opinion, on the outside looking in, wallet that me I make couldn't know. Just if you need to get help for it, I would seek help elsewhere. I don't think that the partner that you're trying to grow with at this point in time should be the person. I think we put a lot of pressure on our partner. We want our partner to be therapist, psychologist, trainer, chef, everything, accountability, everything. We want them to do all these things, and they they're still figuring out life too. I don't.
No, but what the people say that yeah, but the person I want to be with, that is the one person I want to understand these traumatic things from my past, you know, because that would facilitate the condition for us to have a stronger bond. What if somebody says something like that?
I wouldn't. I personally wouldn't. But I'm not a life coach. But from a woman perspective, me not telling you to do that. Me we telling you seek the help for it or the healing from it elsewhere.
Okay.
And your partner asks, you start, especially if you're just dating, some woman they would chat to them, no know if you say. Some of them think you don't need to tell. I don't feel like keep it to yourself, yeah, man. But I wouldn't advise for them to say.
But all right, then suppose them never say it, and then 3-4 years into the relationship, that you pass the honeymoon stage, you pass the preliminary stuff and whatever, you've been through thick and thing, and you think solid now and whatever. It's something that it's okay for them to share later on at an appropriate time.
Yes, maybe, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but as far as like asking about my ex, Wayne used to do friend Wayne I do. Let's focus on us right here, right now.
Right.
Let's focus right here.
No,
right
no.
now.
I tell men, you examine this woman in real time and whatever. I mean, I say you must ignore her past. She was an axe murderer.
No, right.
Back then or whatever. I'm not saying that. Or if she, if her past was like, you know what, I like sleeping with football teams. I'm not saying a man should ignore that. But that was back in the day. I did the Premier League, and then I came up and I did American football teams. I'm not saying you're supposed to ignore that. No. I'm just saying, me tell man, said, don't ask.
May I talk about bad treatment? I'm not talking about
bad treatment from man.
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
you had an abusive past or a harmful past or a less than desirable past with your previous partner. Wallet. You're not with him anymore.
Okay.
Person I asked about it, if him asks you, tell him say, oh, he used to treat me great. It's just, things just didn't work out. If him asks why it never worked out, time, distance, just come up with one, keep it very generic. But him treat you awesome. He never get no bad treatment yet. Because some of them, they just waiting to hear that because they're like, all right.
Yeah.
No, we can't get to it with it.
Yeah.
We can't try that style.
Yeah.
No, don't give him no information. You used to get treated like royalty.
I make him know, so that is the standard.
That's the standard. Yes, keep it up.
So you better come good, right?
If you're never gonna 5-course meal, you tell him say, oh, every Friday we used to go 5-course meal. You're crazy.
Even if a
put it on
sardine sandwich, you music, yeah, no.
No, we used to eat foie gras.
What is that? What is it?
What is like a
You know, it sounds exotic and expensive. Yeah, we used to eat foie gras. Hello?
You hear me? Oh, it gone.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
sorry.
No, I hear you now. I hear you.
No, I said we used to eat foie gras and filet mignon
Mm-hmm.
and tomahawk. I'm used to rub shoulders with the ups and the ups.
Yeah. Yeah, so make him know, say, him have to balance him thing.
Because if you go tell him, say, oh, my ex-man never used to carry me out. Girl, you're not going nowhere. That might be the last date you ever get. You're not going nowhere.
I'm a boss. I plan something better and thing,
Him
and then
not,
chill.
him a
And
bust out
chill
one
after.
time, and after that, you're
and chill after.
you're not going nowhere. Just
Yeah.
know you're not going nowhere after that. That
And-
need birthday.
And if him boss up on something right, you know he want the front right away. Girl,
Yeah,
you ain't never experienced a restaurant like this. Boy, I
Yeah.
never carry me go to a restaurant and send out the front right now. Come on.
Yeah. Just look.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go read it in my carry pan a day. You read the menu before when you go. Oh, I used to come here all the time. Hey.
Hold on. What's the male version of that now? What man shouldn't do?
Me not helpful no. Sure. Watch your face. Me not helpful no. Crazy.
So, oh, you come here, help woman and whatever, this and that. You are my sister, and me tell you something. You talk to me about stuff with man, and me tell you things about man and say, hey, don't do that,
One
me
man have to
charge.
call, because me don't want nobody call and say, this is not.
No,
this,
so tell with
this
the
is not
male
my
version.
place.
Tell what man not for do when with woman and whatever. Come on, help. That is the purpose, I'm sure. We all help each other
Okay,
around
me
here.
give
No?
on no one.
Yeah.
What you lead with is what maintain the partnership between you and that person. So if you start it off with money, you try keep up that money there, because anyway it gone. Sorry for you.
Yeah, the woman. Yeah, well, me tell them that all
If
the
you
way.
lead with lyrics, you're probably better off to lead with lyrics, because usually man they have lyrics, them keep it right through, them know if you maintain it.
Yeah,
But
anything you
if you
start
lead
with.
with money, sorry for you, because you forgot to maintain it. And for some, they can maintain it, so it's okay. You can lead with that. But the ones them that don't, they don't always have it. I wouldn't suggest you lead with that.
No, but what is the thing where you just say, man, don't tell woman this, because in terms of having the woman,
Oh,
if you want the woman to function on a certain standard, what is the thing you just tell a man?
I don't want to hear nothing about what your girl come see, and I don't want to hear nothing about what your mother do. I don't care. I really don't care.
We say that again? You
I don't want to hear nothing about your girl come see your granny or your mother do this. I don't care. I'm not interested in what your girl come see your mother and your granny do. I really don't care. And how you see them raise 4 kids by themselves, that's not my future. I really don't care.
Is that something that's unattractive to women?
Super. Or even like Mr. Was on TikTok, the lady was on a first date and the man here, the man to her, oh, I just love how independent you are. That's a big, it's like him, I said, don't ask me for anything ever. That's just how it sounds. Maybe he's not saying that, but that's just how it sounds. Like, don't you?
I don't see anything wrong with that if him say just reason to say that.
Don't tell me that on a date.
No, but me hear way up on a date, okay. And the whole thing about your mother and where you grew up, come see your mother do and something.
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh,
I don't care who's
okay.
sensitive or who's
The ladies are some of the ladies are they are agreeing with you. They say so. You're from a female perspective. Immediately the woman would think you're trying to telegraph something there to say
no, it's like you want me to live your mother life for her, or you want me to be your mom. I'm not doing that. No.
Okay.
No, I don't really care. And a lot of them, of no fault of their own, their mother never get the love or the care or the nurturing that maybe she would have wanted to, or maybe that she deserved.
True.
So him never see that. So when you ask for it, or when you demand it, or you set that standard, it's like, who you think you are? So that's why I don't want to hear nothing about your mother. Your mother live her life already.
You
She have to go
know,
deal with that.
when I started over here, we had one of the good mix-up them a come in. One man carry one woman for one nice date, and she said the man was tall and he must have did it. I think, he did go, he was a soldier, them will tell me. He was a soldier and so him tall, and I think she said something like him did have broad shoulders and good looking and whatever and all them something there, and she said, yeah man, boy, I said right, and him carry her go a nice restaurant, and thing and them eat and when she said things are going good, and she said, yo, right type of man and whatever. And she said when them have dinner, him they kind of ask something along them lines, and she kind of, just kind of brush it off and thing. But apparently when the dinner was over, him carry her outside, and then him open him car trunk, and they'd have 2 big plastic bag of dirty clothes in her car trunk.
What?
him tell her, say, you see right, I know if he's a good woman like her, my mother and thing, so I gonna need her to wash them clothes, just to prove to me, say.
Hey, remember that give the biggest SYN.
Yeah, no, him deserve it. She said she send him up on them people him and thing like that, and I don't wrong her, him out harder, him bright. So that is like an extreme instance of a man saying, hey, you gotta be like mom, which is...
That's not extreme. Them money are no ideas. I believe that story 100%. Well, no, just make sure not set to the standard high from earlier. And if you're just a date now, let's say you never dated before. I've never dated before, Raga.
You've never dated before?
No.
What you mean?
I've never dated before. I've went on one date.
Oh, with man, though. No, the classic, there's some contradictions inherent in it, But the classic, that's why I tell people, say, I don't know that this thing about don't lie or whatever. There's some lies, there's some truth where man can't angle and woman can't angle, right? So when me tell my brethren, say, listen to me. Don't ask a woman about how much man she uses sleep with or whatever. Don't go there. But me say, if you got do it, she going to say between 3 and 5. She not past that.
I don't even know
hold on. And that is depending on age. I mean, I say, you're going to know she's telling a lie. But if she going to tell her the truth, I'm going to say 18. You don't want to be.
You don't even know how to stomach that.
You know what? Work with the lie. Don't ask. But if you want to bring it up or whatever.
Wait, so who told you?
A respectable woman going to tell you, it was like 3.5.
No, 3. Who told you 5?
No, 3 to 5.
She need that ears. Who says?
No. Me, I tell you, so for men, it's 3. The whole man stay. I don't care about them stuff. No,
I know, but I don't know if
anyone as I said,
say 5. That's what I'm asking you.
Nah, man. If a woman, depending on what she has said to you, and she said 5 can be okay.
No, I'm not asking whether or not it's okay or not.
Yeah.
Right? I personally don't know of a woman that answered that question with the number 5. The general number is 3. I've never heard nobody.
No. The general number is 3, but I'm saying there can be,
And all if I like me, right? When I have no pickney, 0.
But you see, a gone in a domain now where I say a woman got no proof. Say a woman have 3. Say a woman have 3 pickney for 3 different father.
Her answer is 3. Girl, you have no other choice. You're not the virgin.
No.
You know, the answer is 0.
Right, no. Well, it can be a little bit, if the lie too strong, the man can, yes, man, that's what she did and thing. So the lie, you have to kind of massage up the lie.
What you could tell them, so when they are intro in a dance, if you can't count by your hand how much, I let them use to intro the song them.
Listen, you have woman out there sleep with 20 man and a quality woman them.
I'm not saying no, of course.
Okay, all right.
Of course.
I have woman out there sleep with 4 man in them life and them a murder and them a wicked and thing. And you understand. You can't use this number thing and whatever where people depend. But me understand it, so me nah,
The answer is 3, but all right.
Anyway, let me take some
People,
other call.
September
23,
28th,
September 28th. People, this woman has never missed a
See,
ragabash, you know.
you're not promoting something.
No idea. Yeah.
Me drive past your flyers idea. I'm gonna say,
Yeah.
watch my friend.
Banner.
Yes, banner. Sorry.
Banner.
I drove past 2 of them actually.
Yeah, man, me see you put it up, man. Respect for that. You
No,
put it
I
up
saw
on
it
your...
again. Over the next side, I think. Over
Oh,
Gateway side.
yeah, that's in Brooklyn, right?
Oh, that's in Brooklyn, right? you forgot like you're New York, but that's in Brooklyn, right?
No, yeah,
Yeah,
because...
New Yorker.
yeah, no say a word, man. Respect my charge, yeah, all right? Blessings,
All
man.
right. Wait, you have to follow my page so that you don't ask, who is this again?
Yes, I will, you know.
All right. Look
Seeing that the J's have been clarified, you know.
If push come to shove me, I forgot to take off one.
Don't take off one. Don't take off one.
Good.
You need to see
Good
that
advice.
BJ by Mel. You're going to get a whole heap of followers. You see, like, oh, my followers gone up, so. All right, let's say a word, man.
Later.
Cool. Yeah, man, cool.
I'm going to end this. Are you
I'll take it on, yeah, man. I'll take it on. All right, people. Yes, like you tell them, my party, my birthday party. It's like a month to go. People, are you excited? All right, get your tickets. I want to see lots and lots of you there, all right? Everybody over here in New York or anywhere near New York and whatever, come my party. See, the Chris CBS put it up. Ragabash, Saturday, September 20th, Club Amazura and thing, all right? And just know, say, whole heap of people come my party. Who no go party? Every year, you know, there's a bunch of people who come upon and say, Raga, just because it's your thing, you know, I don't really code these things or whatever. So the same thing I got happen and thing, all right? Give thanks, right? Raga, the shine dress can't fit me. I put on weird certified. Nah, man, you have to go take out and fix up and thing, man, yeah? Raga, you have to do it live because I cannot make it. Yeah, I can't do it live. You know, I don't want to do it because then you have some people say, oh, I can't come. You know, me just watch it live. You know, usually. I want you to come, man. Just come who can come. And big up to the people who are going to buy tickets to support me, support the party and thing. And I want you to know I'm going to give away those tickets to people. And anybody who want to call in today to win a ticket, do so. All right? Saturday, September 20th, Ragabash, seeing a grown and sexy affair, an elegant grown and sexy affair. And we had a caller earlier and thing, back up, you know. She have a look at clothes issue, you know. You know, them a call me Nano Clothes, right? But she have a look at clothes issue, so I go, you know, I don't know how it work out for her or whatever, but, you know, I work out a thing for her, you know. See if we can get piece of cloth for wrap her up with her them. So. Hello.
You must know something that you can. I lie me. I know come.
Ilian.
Nana close Raga. Me not gonna know it's on my time.
Your time, man. I want me to you. You did
You
a
know
chat
me-
to man. You have man in your ears when you're supposed to chat to me. Don't do it again, here.
A 2-man attack, Raga.
No, you hear
know
me I
me-
say, when I'm my time. I don't want a man to chat up in your ears one time, my time for time. Don't do it again.
All right, Mr. Raga. Raga,
Yeah.
me say a chumpy. Oh, chumpy so liar.
Beat out him, Ross. Beat him.
Chumpy, you too friggin' liar.
Yes.
Raga,
What? Yeah. What? Yeah.
chumpy come on last night like him did a do the 2-month thing. No. Him never did a talk like back in the days.
See it there?
Chumpy, you a ras liar.
What?
Raga even ask you if you not talk to a lady for 2 months and no front, no discuss, and you said no. That's what you said, Chumpy. And
Yes.
tonight, no, you're going to turn it round like you did a talk back in the days when you're in your 20, 30. Chumpy, you're so friggin' liar.
Jesus, beat him.
Chumpy,
Beat him.
you can't fool some people, but you can't fool all of the rass people them on the app. Chumpy,
Whap him up. Whap him up.
Raga, me
Beat
tell
him.
you, me even a taking Chumpy and me I say blow wow. I saw Chumpy quick. I saw Chumpy just want to talk to one woman today and by next week Chumpy in the panty. Chumpy not even find out if he's a Bellevue patient him a
Yes.
deal with.
Yes.
Chumpy, you so liar.
Yeah. So when him come up and say, nah, me did a talk about when you're young and thing and whatever, you know, hear me say, but Chumpy, you never did say that. If you did say that,
Exactly.
yeah. Beat him here, Alien. Beat him.
Raga,
What? Yeah.
nah, make you make them run up and done up, you know. Me not
Nah.
depend that video.
Nah,
Me just
nah.
a talk my mind pan Chumpy. Chumpy,
Yeah.
you so liar.
Yeah, no, but yeah, no, but what you are saying, I agree with you. And
And I'm
what?
gonna spin it round.
Yeah, what? Or am I spin it wrong? Or am I spin it wrong?
But
I'm-
how him a talk when him did young.
Yeah,
And you make sure ask the brother if him a talk to my woman for 2 months. If you know, and him say no.
yeah. If you can talk to her for 2 months and not bring up sex, and him,
He
I want him say, no,
No.
no.
Raga, the customers they want me. Later.
All right, man. Blessings, man.
Be a
Cool,
cool
cool.
Ras life. Big up
Then no
Queen
heat.
Nas.
Then no heat. All right, Alien. All right. Jano. People are too much we work with in a TamFam here. The first one is laugh, learn, and grow. That is laugh, learn, and grow for a long time. And people, post the second motto. Who know the second motto, post it. You go see it. Long time, something, decades. The second motto, post it. Somebody post the second motto. Chumpy post and say, my week. Yes, man, beat me for you. Yeah. Somebody post the second motto. You don't know what the second motto is. Let me see if somebody go post it. The first motto is laugh, learn, and grow. See, the Drew. You see that person there? Drew, that subscriber. TamFam of that. You see what the person, right? Dreux. Broad back and thick skin. You see that? You see what Sashi Poo post? Thick skin and broad back. All right? You see what Trini Love post? And broad back. That are the second motto. A thick skin and broad back. I do it. Right? A thick skin and broad back. I do it. So, you don't want to cross certain lines though, right? But within reason. You go and get beaten around here, right? Chumpy understand the thing. So Chumpy get a look whop up a while ago, right? And Raga get beaten too. Okay, know that. Raga get beaten too. So no, you know. But again, we don't want to be, it's nothing disgusting or inappropriate. You don't cross certain lines of disrespect and whatever. But in terms of that fun thing where you see alien come with, yeah, them type of beating they go on. All right? Alien come for him, you know, man. Chumpy, you get whap up. I saw it go, Papa. I saw it go. You have to go strong up right, you know. I thick skin and broad back. I do it. Yo, alien come for him, you know. You say, you're too ras light. You're too friggin' light. Yo, alien a sample, you know. Alien, we have just tell her, say she crossed the road and you laugh, you know. You know, alien, we just say, yeah. I may leave church in a Raga. I may just cross the road. right, man. Alien a sample, man. Aliens have that something, man. With Elaine, the humor is effortless. You know, when you have it, you just have it. You know if you sell it, you know if you market it. Yeah, bigger part of the people who have it. Yeah, enough people are run up them mouth and them not have it. Yeah, enough people are go on and them not have it. You know, if you tell people, oh, you know, you're this and you're that, if you have it, you walk in a room, and people not like you. Them see you right away and know, say you have it. Yeah. When people meet you and don't even want to even pray a certain way and find themselves a pray a certain way. Why? Why? Because you have it. Yeah. A boy a show off and a go on and a go on. And you go so boom and drop one pan him and him call the next day and a go on like him an idiot and whatever because you have it. Yeah. So big up all who know them have it. Tell them, Sham, the it factor. Don't it? Look for Nakibi. She living at the middle of one swamp surrounded by bloodthirsty crocodiles and girls still have it. Yeah, if you know you have it, I owe that woman there. Oh, God, Queen Nash. Hey, Queen Nash can bust out with some sample thing them from TikTok, you see, man. Yeah, so big up all who have that it something there, the it factor. Yeah, you don't have to force it, because you already have it, right? You don't have to sell it, because you own it, right? One time there one dance years ago, you know, and the one Jagabi, you know them can go on in a dance hall and Jagabi and say, yo, some of them come and them overdo it. Them wear all kind of brand and all them something there, whatever. And Tasha, big up yourself, enough thanks. And him go on and go on about everything, over this and that, or whatever, And Jagabi said, watch you now. I show you some, I have it. And I want to wear Louis this and Louis that and whatever. I show you how man have it. Because I come here and I go kill on just with my shoes lace. And the man walk on and simple clothes, but when you look at them shoes lace bad like yours, and him say, see that is it. Yeah, and Jagabi was the center of everything. The whole dance and whatever, it was all about him shoes lace. Because the shoes lace are it. Yeah, man. You ever see how some people dress up, you see how some woman dress not this and that. And them just know. And like one little accessory. If them put on one little accessory, right, you know, boom, you know, say, boom, them would have get it. But them not dead. You see it? Anyway, we're there, you know, watch your ride, you know. Alien, big up yourself, you know. You know it go, all right? Okay. Burning Mixup or any other Mixup, we're going to a sub-live later. In like an hour, we're going to a sub-live. You know? Or an hour, a little over an hour. We're going to a sub-live. Outside a sub-live, you know. Beetroot juice are going, you know. One Kimberly boy, she can't wait. You see it? I tell you, you know, no for them, you know, some people. Hey. You know, say, listen to Mass Raga tell on something, you know. The freakiest people them out there. The freakiest people, the people them with like some ton up sort out, who do the something them and do all of the something them good. And will turn you out. It's not the people them who you think, you know, by just observing, you know. It's not the one them who you think, you know, the one them who used to kill out themselves, you know. Me, I tell you, as a old man in a game, right? the people them who really up there with that something there. In general, when you see them look simple like them can't mash hands. Them generally don't act like them have anything for prove in that area there. Them deliberately hold down that area there. Most of the people them with the wickedest sort out. Them not brag about them sort out. Them not go on and show off themselves and go on with this and that. In fact, that is not part of their personality for do that. Not only that, to emphasize the point, they generally come over innocent. They generally come over naive and generally come over like, you know, like them wouldn't go in that area there, you know? Yeah, man. The freakiest people, them man thing. And them not freaky with everybody either. Them not freaky with everybody either. It's just somebody, you know, I just certain person have to bring it out of them. Like me. But let me answer. Yeah. But the freakiest people, you know, the people when them things turn up wicked, you know, would do the something them and go all in, all out and whatever, you know. The one when you know, when I said John will be, you know, say people see and would I never know, you know, so you're terrible, you know. Dog, man, I tell you, say, you know, say, in my mind, me just want to dry you out and thing like that and whatever, but me just never know, say, hey, you're wicked, you know. You're wicked, you know, me never know, say, how you, always the innocent look one them, man, deliberately, consciously carry themselves that way, they line. Them are amongst them girlfriend, you know, and them girlfriend are going and a chat up whatever, and them, even amongst them girlfriend, you know, them would like, really? Yeah, and them one, yeah, man, and them, that's why nowadays you have to be careful, you know, me I tell on a man out there and listen to the whole man. When you see a woman innocent and like she can't mash hands, it's either that she's really innocent and can't mash hands, naive, shouldn't have no experience, or she wicked and terrible. Very often and on a mid-ground. You understand what I say? Yeah. Kimberly Bocha take notes. Carly says, so true, Raga. Squeaky about me innocent. Squeaky, leave them conversation here alone. You don't know nothing about them something, Squeaky. Squeaky are big people conversation, them, man. You don't know nothing about them conversation, Squeaky. Bill. Squeaky, big up yourself, you know. Burning Mixup or any other Mixup, going down the line. Burning Mixup or any other Mixup on app. Burning Mixup or any other Mixup on app. Yeah. Oh, tap up on the screen. Them say me for do that. I'm gonna like keep a bad on with them. So, but tap up on the screen, make the likes them go up here. It's a TikTok thing. Oh, heart me. Everybody over here, and people, I have to make sure someone do this at least one time in each show when the numbers pass 1,000 here. Everybody over here, do your heart me right now. What is a heart me? You see that orange heart that beside me, my picture, big head, big nose, Raga, and thing. Just press the orange heart and just follow it to do the heart me. Everita, it's that orange heart that's beside my picture on your phone or your tablet or whatever it is. Just click that, just tap the orange heart and it will tell you how to do a heart me. It's a TikTok thing, and you know, people over here telling me you need to do this more and you need to do it more. But TikTok just give you so many stuff to do, man. I just can't be bothered sometimes, you know. Colin, click, big up yourself, you know. But it's good because everything over here is about rank and tiers, T-I-E-R. Everything in TikTok is about ranks, tiers, and levels. Ranks, tiers, and levels, right? And there are multiple levels for you to bring up. And when you go higher, it open up other stuff for the channel. All right. Oh, somebody just subscribed. Jenny Cam, I don't know how to pronounce that. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, and when I travel, I'm going to do lives now when I travel. And some of the lives are going to be regular open lives for everybody. And some of the lives, when I travel, they're going to be exclusively for subscribers. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to do lives when I travel, regular lives, just open lives, on the move, you know. Many of you know I'm an anthropologist. Well, one of the things I do, I'm an anthropologist, and anthropologists study culture and identity, right? Human sociocultural systems. I'm a cultural anthropologist, and I like to travel. I like to learn about other nations, other cultures, and stuff like that. And those things can be interesting, particularly when they're presented by somebody like me, who not too righted and who loves to entertain. All right. So many of you will be, you know, journeying with me, you know, and some of my travails. People, you know, when I want to go, well, I've been there a bunch of times, but I want to go to other areas there. China, you know, people, China is trending, you know. There is a lot to see and like enjoy in China. There is so much going on over in China, you know. I go to China for like a 2 weeks or a 3 weeks, you know. You know, China go on good, man. Singapore, I need to go there too. Yes, I need to go there too. Yeah, man, I want to be one of them, the travels and thing and that I'll enjoy, you know, and share it with them, you know. All right. Okay, we could go in that box. Ah, Jesus. Next up.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yes, Chumpy.
Yo, Ilya make me laugh. But just come back and say, yo, Ilya, me love you. Know.
That's right. See,
Am I weak? Am I weak? I'm going to take the beat.
Take your beating. Take your beating. Take your beating.
Yeah, so, that's why I come, me just come back to say that. Because, remember, you know, I've me talking in the chat many times, and Ilya never said nothing, but this one time, Ilya
Yes.
come for me.
That's right, man. Yeah,
So,
be a proper ass, you understand?
yeah, man, forget it. And I'm my week. I'll take the beat.
Take your
Chat.
beating.
Yeah, man, we're back, brand, you know.
All right, man. That's how it works.
All
Chumpy.
right.
That's how it
Yeah,
goes, man.
man, bless
Safety,
up.
man. Yeah, man. Cool.
Yes. All right.
All right. Morning Mixup or any other Mixup. We're going to a sub live in 50 minutes. Hello? 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 Oh, what now? Oh, Trini, me that bring you up a while ago, me don't know what happened. What was it? Was it an accident or? Oh, well, let me see again. I know what Trini, I want to go up on Trini phone, you know. There's somebody in the chat, her name is Tight Hole Andrea. It's right there. It's right there. You can see it. Tight Hole Andrea. Tight Hole Andrea, big up yourself. Tight Hole Andrea, I see you in the chat. Big up yourself. And I sincerely hope you're not a liar. All right? I hope you're not a liar. I hope you're telling the truth. Okay? All right, you say big up you. All right, big up you. All right, then. All right, Tight Hole Andrea, big up yourself. I hope you're telling the truth. Okay? Because you might not know. People who tell lie on them genitals, they underperform. And them something rotten away and all them thing they hear me. I tell you this, so listen what me I tell you. So make sure you not tell lie on your front. Make sure you not tell lie on your front. Right? You put it out there, we see it. And a bad mind, you see nothing, and I put you down. But just I say you put it out there. God know if you tell the truth. Make sure you're not telling lie on your front. That is where you put points. So your name is Tight Hole Andrea. Rock cafe, just clear for me. Hallelujah. Let me hide myself in the... Weird. That's probably not a line I want to sing after. Well, that's probably not... Well, no, it can't work. Yeah, man, it can't work, you know? Let me hide myself in thee. But it's a religious song, so we're not going to be rude here. Church thing, you know, and my mother wouldn't like it, all right? Should I drape me up and thing? And I'd be like, I'm sorry, mommy. Okay, Bonning Mixup or any other Mixup. Okay, one more person. Let's go. Hello.
Wait, good night, Raga. I didn't even realize that my hand pressed off the
Good night. What's up?
button.
Wow,
Good night.
What's up?
I'm here, tired. Just come
Yes,
home.
you are. You just come
Yeah,
in?
so, I want to answer that question that you were just saying with tight hole, Andrea.
Yes, well, yeah. Answer which question? What's the question?
No question, but I'm just clarifying that I never really tell anyone that I never met someone and tell him that my hole tight
Right,
because me have 3 people, me not have time for telling some hole tight.
right.
But you can tell yourself so when you go there then comfortable.
And comfortable, yeah.
Yeah, then comfortable. You know you have some pillar and
Oh, you know them comfortable. Oh, you know them
them
comfortable.
them now and them always return, so you know say comfortable.
No, but comfortable can imply average.
Well, then what anyway, average not whatever, as long as they're comfortable, you know, you lie down on one bed. When you lie down on a bed and you're comfortable, you're not moving, you know.
No, but comfortable can mean, oh, you know, so I'm a good man, you know, I'm a good man, you know. So comfortable can mean, I'm good, yes, I'm not fair go over this.
Then, Raga, you want more you want than that?
Okay.
What more do you want than that?
But the way all, no, me just see the clarification because the way most Jamaican woman from our background, where where we come from, when them say comfortable, they mean exceptional.
Me no brag pa Whitney in the cause guess what? Me always tell him say, see, you know them have a sense of seeing is believing. Well, for me, when you go there, you tell, and I have never have having sexual intercourse.
Yeah.
And ask the man like, oh, you like it? Yeah, enjoy it? Because every man I gotta tell you yes, I think they want you push them off of them.
Well, the other thing too is now that you bring up that, I want you to educate the man them now to say, all when you doubt yourself and whatever, that is a question you never ask. Well,
I never ask.
I don't know about the young when you're young and you have a little girlfriend.
I never
that
ask
different.
that question.
But what you think about if a man or whatever and him go ask you that?
So what?
Like him, if you go boss a man, right? And him a juggle now and him up in the living room and then him go ask you like, it good? Is it good or whatever? How would that come over to you?
You are gonna ask me if it good. Then if you have to ask me if it good, then obviously you tell me something when me no know. You tell me something. Because why you ask me if it good, you're not supposed to ask me if it good. If you in the living room, you're supposed to say, oh, in here feel nice.
No, but when I say, if a man ask you if it good or whatever.
The fact that you're asking if it good, I mash up my head right there, say, you know.
Mash up your head, like a turn off?
Yeah, because you something you tell me say it no good. But you're going to ask me if it good.
No. I mean, okay, I think you put it the other way. When a man asks you if you are enjoying him, if he's being good.
If him,
if him good. Yeah, if a man asks you, In my juggle and thing, and him ask you like, this feel
Well,
good,
like
this
I
feel good,
same
eh?
thing, and the same thing apply like woman, you know. The
That what
same
that?
thing.
What's
Me gonna
that?
say, yes. All when it, cause you not go tell a man just like one man now go tell you say it no in the heat at the moment.
Yeah.
Then I same thing I return back to you. Yeah.
Okay. But is it something that is just neutral, or is it a turn off, or is it something that in a
It's
bada
a turn
yata?
off
It's a turn off.
automatically. It's a
It's a
turn
turn
off.
off. Yeah, it's a turn off.
It's a turn off.
So
Like,
so nobody's not for do that basically.
no, don't do that. And if a
Don't.
person asks me, say, you know, first of all, like I said, I'm not gonna ask somebody, oh, you enjoy me tight, I feel good. No. I'm
I
not
can't
gonna,
imagine like woman and the woman says, so is this tight enough? Like what you want?
no, I'm not gonna ask them. But one thing I do know, when they finish, they always tell me, say, babe, I enjoy that, you know.
Oh.
I enjoy myself, that feel good.
Yeah, you never get like a look a non-response or an average response or a flat response, or you never get nothing like that yet.
No, I never really get that more. At one point, I remember he didn't say nothing. So, as female, it play over your head, because of course, you play over your head. I wonder if him, yeah, because you put out, look, because I always put out my best,
No, hold on,
I
stop
feel like
right
I'm
there, sir.
prepared.
No, stop right there, sir. Come feel me can't ask you that question, And again, this are a mass Raga keep it 100 with you, right? Right? Here's my reasoning, pan. Is not every sort out turn up.
No,
In life, is not every sort out turn up.
but this,
Growing people would tell you that. It's not every sort out turn up. So I'm going to keep it 100 with you. Usually, I don't go here with Carla, but my sense is I can't go there with you. Usually, I make people say what they must say. Anytime me hear somebody say them sort out, always turn up.
no.
Me not lie to you. Me say, in my back of my mind, I say, well, there's another
No,
liar.
that's what I'm saying.
Right.
That's why I don't ask the question at all about, oh, do you enjoy the start out? I never ask that question. I always leave it up to the person to get their response. Some people express it in different ways. Some people express it in body language. Some people express it in words. Some people express it in all different type of way. So me, no, I just read it from there. But I don't ask the question like, oh, do you enjoy me? Do you this, that? I never ask that question, because one thing, me no want to ask something when me no want to hear.
No, but when me ask you point blank is, you never have no pop down sort out yet.
Me have pop down sort out in terms of, because me never feel the person. So me never give in like that. Me just like, me just, yeah. You understand? Me never feel the person. And I'm the person, if I'm not, if me not feel like that, I feel it start out like that, I don't give in 100%.
Right, but you never have a situation where you did a give 100% and thing because you feel the person, but it just never work out that way there.
Not like
all right, you never give your best yet in a sort out, and your best wasn't enough.
In terms of my way, I could say I think I give my best, and I feel like when I finish, I feel like maybe I could have done more, or I feel like the start out never really so 100 in terms in my department.
Right. But you see what I'm saying, in life that happened. But you hear some people, even people been together and they're sexually compatible and they have mind-blowing sex and whatever, for different reasons, things happen in life, and you have this one and two time when it never and thing.
Understand too is, it depends. I hear that last night with the chemistry thing, like when you feel a connection with someone.
Yeah.
If because you can meet somebody and like them, and there are certain things you never do or won't do, because the start off of the relationship never start off with that. If you understand, they never have that chemistry. Just like how you have someone, you like the person, but certain conversation, certain joke, certain playful play your own do or say because it never start off that way there, and therefore you know continue that way there. You understand? While you have some person from the minute them start, you just feel the vibes, you just feel the connection, you just feel like you know, even the voice. Sometimes some people have a good phone voice, and you know the word like them, you know them. It's not even just lyrics, but just the way them talk. That's a big turn on for you. You feel like you can just open to that person. You feel like you can just run certain joke, sexual joke, anything. So it all depends on the connection starting off with the person.
Right.
And from there, I feel like that's how your body relate to it moving forward.
Yeah. But remember too, you know, and a couple of people had given us mix-up along those lines that situations where people thought that connection wasn't there, and you know, and them go on until at some point them say, I'm not gonna do this and whatever, but you know, but them never take the connection there. And then when them do it, you know, it's just like, what? Damn, you know, type of thing, you know? So you have that element there too.
But
you
I've
know?
been with person where the voice, the chemistry over the phone and how you meet the person is fun, laughter, but the sort out pop down.
Yeah, those are kind of rough to deal with, don't
It's like talking over the phone and get you wet, you feel turn on, you feel like you're just ready, you just book all one cab, like you just want to meet up, you just want to do the things them, whatever, invite him over. But when you do the start out is just a big waste of time.
Yeah, waste of time.
You just stay on the phone and go and do the phone sex because you turn on more by that.
What would you advise a woman to do who she meet the most incredible man ever? Like all the boxes tick off, all of them. Good looking, nice, make her laugh, caring, good provider, everything in that except the sort out pop down. What you advise a woman to do in that situation?
Well, I cannot speak for everyone, but for me, I feel like sex play a big role in any sort of relationship or between anything. If the sex is not there, eventually everything is going to annoy you after a period of time. Even the good looks, the body, everything is going to eventually just be like nothing to you. So
you know,
at this point, I feel like it's just it doesn't worth it to sit around because I'm a good look or whatever. Me not stick around.
So so you not stick around with a good man who with whom you're not sexually compatible?
No, because me go eventually get annoyed. Is this moment in camp? Say him buy me roses, me feel good. But when the sex come, me go just get, it's like I'm gone and I want anxiety and depression and all kind of something because me just know say it just annoying or it just not work for me.
A whole bunch of ladies are saying, I mean, they're just saying, teach him. A whole bunch of ladies say, teach him. So the implication is, no, you don't give up a good man like that. You know, you try to find some way to make it work, and the solution is to teach him. You know,
First of all, you can teach him.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But say, for instance, him little.
Well, that's a little no because you can't teach.
Right, you can teach him. But
yeah, but say little is not the issue.
Right,
but would you be open to just teaching him?
Little is not the issue.
Yeah.
I mean, your sister, yes, there's a size to it, so a size that you feel we're comfortable. Then I mean, yeah, you can show him a 1 and 2 things, and especially if he's willing to learn and he's not somebody that cockatiel. I feel like him no want you show him because I feel like him know too much. But yeah, you teach him. Yeah. You can teach him if you reach to that point. If it's somebody like him look bad in that department there, but him just lack of knowledge in certain things.
Right.
Yeah, you can teach him.
Right. And of course, your willingness to work with him is that he must be open to.
Yeah, because I remember tell about my friend where a lot of things vibrate, a lot of stuff, whatever.
Yeah.
And me bossy man, I open him to those things.
Okay.
So I mean, if him not lacking, he just lack of knowledge on how to go about things and to be excited, then yeah, you can teach him.
See, Sure says, I'm staying with my good man. We will figure it out together. Toys!
I mean, you can, of course, like I said before, if it's a
And you
good
know,
man,
that's a your thing, you know. You whip out the thing to them and say, come
yes,
on, let me show you how to do this thing. Yeah,
yes, all the ties, all the, you know, the flavors and all these stuffs.
But a lot of Jamaican men, they're offended by this. I am for that. I think men should just be liberated. Men, listen to Mas Raga. Use toys, play with the toys. And when you're done with the toys, now you just go shut all of work, a regular work after. But, you know, give her the time and say, do this with it, do that with it. And give. Women love that, trust me. And when they ask Cheyenne go on, you just say, come here, man, hold the thing, man, rest it on that and boom. And so you like it and think. They love that. Listen to me, trust me, them love it. And when they go on like them not like it and think, them like it. You understand? But anyway, what you think about the Jamaican man, them who want expand their repertoire of activities in that area? Eh?
But a lot of Jamaican men that says they don't do it, they're lying.
They don't do what?
They don't
with the toys?
Yeah, and sort out and whatever, they're lying. Like swiping and so they're lying.
No, me know that. But you know, so you still have some them.
And a lot of them what talk about all them now invite no ties and whatever, they're lying.
Them a lie about that?
Of course.
I find that a lot of them tell the truth about that. The Jamaican men are very insecure with the whole toys thing. They think it's a replacement. They're offended by it.
Because if they're confident of what they have and know how to use that, know say it's just a form of foreplay, then what are they worrying about? They don't have nothing to worry about. It's just a part of, make the bedroom more exciting.
If a man and a woman sleep together, right? I think I asked this question, but I just want to ask it again. Man and woman sleep together. In pop off, she never get for pop off. If right after that, she goes to boom and draw for her tie and start use her tie, just forget for her pop off. Anything wrong with that?
It can make them, depends on insecurity, man can make him feel like him.
Yeah, but is it wrong for a woman to do that?
Not for me. I done it. Because
you done it, right?
The man come before me and and I need my come and him come and fall and out for drop asleep. Like me need to come.
Exactly. But what is hard in that to understand? Like I think the man should be thankful that you have a woman who is not going to just kind of recoil away and be resentful. You know, you come at me and I get... You're a woman who feel comfortable and say, all right, no problem. I'm going to help myself to come. I think you should just help her too. And be like...
Yeah, somebody in the chat says it would help with the ties. Of course, that I've done.
Of course. Oh, you mean? Go in. Oh, you mean?
As well.
You don't pop off and you say, yo, baby girl, go and do your thing, man. Rub it right. You say, you want me to help you this and
yeah, and you have some weird and he must say, right? I must say, baby, left it this so yeah.
Right, this one thing like that.
And he enjoy that. And baby, yeah.
Yeah, circle it. Don't put it directly upon it. Come on, and you know.
And it like a pleasure for him just watch me come.
Exactly.
And whatever.
Yeah. Some man now live no life, you know. Oh, that me I tell you no. But right, on just full. Well, on just full of chat like Squeaky and now get nothing. Squeaky, big up yourself, yeah.
I give one short joke. Say it was the first time I get eat, right?
Yeah.
Was from a Jamaican man. I was in Jamaica.
The first time you get swipe was from a Jamaican man in Jamaica. Okay.
Yes.
How old were you? I
was about 20.
Okay.
And let me tell you something, Raga. When they say eat, I really eat the man eat. Mr. Raga. Raga. One whole week I couldn't walk. I swell up. The man cha me up.
Cha, you bite up that though.
I swear blind say. Never again.
You're gonna make a man do that, no?
If this are what they call swiping or
So
head, me no want it.
you don't want it again, you know?
Because me tell you, for one whole week me I walk wide, me swell up,
Jesus,
man, char me up. Me have to
beer
sit
by
down all over
things.
it, then I use all cold rag, warm rag.
Jesus, you didn't have to do the BS thing?
Yes, me have to sit down over it with warm
Squatting
salt
night
water.
and thing, warm salt water and thing. What
Man,
next
char
something
me
them
up.
put in a ear? Man, bite up that door.
And tell me say, oh, him first. When me ask him when learn to, start the swiping. He say I want white woman teacher. Me say I want to never like you. He said I white woman I never like you.
So the man who did do it, to the best of your knowledge, was it Starboy? Were in the chat? It was him?
No.
Huh?
But it was one of them bad man that come from what one bad area.
Oh, yeah, no fun them bad man, they them never know if eat.
But me don't know when, but then he just left it alone.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Just leave it alone. Until me get the true swiping and, me realize, say, okay.
When you get the real thing, you know, that they turn you over, they get to a man who turn you over.
Climb all the wall and reach all the belly and can't reach it. And me I wonder where they for wall and pan it.
What is the thing that when a man a swipe a woman, right? What is the no? What am I doing? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Because we have fun over here, and I actually don't think I'm out there, but I know why people say I'm out there. So me say, yeah, I'm out there, I'm unruly, I'm a slack and whatever and thing like that. So me understand that, I'm accept that and whatever. I'm a grown man, if you don't like it, you don't like it, that's fine. But I think sometimes, a platform like this with a show like this, it can be helpful to some people if some things is explained from them. I mean, I always tell man, like, try and get about 2 or 3 woman friend who you now look front from them, now look nothing from you, just assisting them and ask them the questions and make them answer and teach you, So I would love for you to just, give a little brief explanation like what man should do, to improve them head game when it comes to, swiping.
One of the main things, listen to your partner. Listen to your partner.
Listen, whatever I say, literally, or listen to them body.
Listen, like sometimes the man down there and him go on with himself, and it now work for the woman. If the woman says, right there, so listen. When you hear she whisper and say, yeah, baby, right there, so.
No, but sometimes she not say nothing. Sometimes she do it with her body, so you need to listen to her body.
So that's what I'm saying. So you have to use physical and thing there to listen. Watch your feet, your partner body language. See which part when you touch her, you see she move a particular way, or you see she hold you right there. So I know why you move. Like sometimes she take her and hold you there. So.
Well. Sublife, yeah. I take some other call. And no, but I'm coming to explain some. In Sublife, anybody can call him. I want people explain literally what some of the things where the man them need to do, because I talk to women. Women talk to me about these things, and they get very specific and clear. Rock of them just things say them feel lick and thing, and them don't know for press and thing, and just, some of them specifics there, and thing like that. So I could talk about that in a Sublife, yeah?
Okay.
All right, then, cool. The best people to learn from is the person who is the recipient, right? And is women, and I guess the converse, though, if the man them want give the woman them some advice. I mean, the obvious one is the teeth thing, but I'm sure there are other things too there. And if this is a conversation that you can't manage, that's fine. Don't listen, right? And if it's one that you want to listen quietly. And I'm going to bring back the phone number because it came up yesterday, and then a couple of people sent me messages and said, yeah, I have things to share, but I don't want to use the box here on TikTok. I want to be able to call in. So I'm going to bring back the phone number. All right. Okay, we're having a sub live today. Subscribers only live. Out other subscribers live later on in about 15 minutes. Hello. Hello.
I said my father Shanti, where I deal with.
You know some man they are juggle party.
I mean my father from me a youth, me a listening a dog, me have so much respect for your dog. Me not mix up still in my father, but
Yeah.
honors and manners and
See it there.
respect and that me have for you, my father.
See it
Me
there.
swear.
See it
Honors
there.
and manners, dog. Me love how you die up on the internet, you know, when I have to tune in to no friggin' radio station, we can just get up my phone and say, yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
I was
yeah.
feel like go and buy a beer, go so see him where my father be like that man. Me
Go
like,
some man. Go some
me a
man.
show me
Respect
old
man.
lady man, me a show me old lady. So me see Raga, you know.
See, well, where you there? Jamaica or up here?
I'm there in America, you know, my father.
You're there in America, but you know why I ask a question?
Yeah.
You know, so when I come America,
Yeah.
the black man I'm up here, them refer to we in Jamaica, when we say old lady, our mother we are referred to.
Yeah. Me understand you. But
Up
me,
here, you know, when them say old lady up here, them woman them are referred to, you know.
I swear to you, my father.
Yeah, man, it show me off when me just come up here, man, and
Yeah,
think
tell
about
my
it.
father, man, I what do you mean one youth I say, damn bro, that's my old lady, bro. When I Mr. That's your mama, that young is no, that's my old lady. I'm like, damn, bro, I don't know
No,
that
the one minute here, minute I put Kingsley and man said, yo, I'm feeling so good right now. I'm about to go home and get my old lady and tear that ass up. I must
Yeah.
Yo,
Father. What's your face?
yo, when the doc said that, right there, I said, there's something I'm not understanding here. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone. There is something I'm not understanding here, okay? We have a lost in translation moment here. Wait and ask, you know?
Yeah,
And I
man.
saw them explain to me, say, no, when black Americans say, old lady, and them woman. And I said, no, in Jamaica, we mother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no.
Mommy and me old lady, man.
You
There's
see
no
it, you
other
see it.
lady. It's either my wife, my princess, or my gal, or something. But no whole lady for my woman, bro.
You see it,
You
you see
understand
it,
what
you
I'm
see
saying?
it, you see it,
Me
you
call
see it.
a woman my queen, man.
Your queen, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a queen, man. But
See it there.
them a young youth I like myself, you know, me not talk like me no young, you know, cause me age don't come off all me knock yet.
Okay,
So,
see it, see
me
it,
not
see
go
it.
like me young, but me not go like me old, but me live a different life, Father Raga. Me I tell you, me live a different life. Me try
See it there.
to live a different life, and sometimes it feel like I alone I do it, but by doing it and doing it, you buck up on some people who appreciate you. You understand what me I say, and it just make you just. Me tell a man, you know, just like me tell a man what the I say, boy, you want to be gang. Me say, bro, me no want to be no gangster. And me no want to be no
Yeah,
fool. You know? Me want to can move my mother out of garrison and
see it
know,
there.
say, yeah, and me do that. Me think that is what a man, it takes to be a man. If a man can't do that, him feel lock him out. You
See it.
understand? You never even fit talk about nothing else because you not no purpose. You understand? You can't
Yeah.
change nothing. You understand?
No,
But then
you know me, I
I
say, no, me love when me I hear from the eye, man. Me love when me I hear from the eye. Let me tell you why. I mean, you listen me long time, so you know where me come from and all them thing. Then
yeah,
it's
man.
what me I hear from you.
Portland, me come from in Raga.
No, but me I listen and I'm hearing a man who realizes the importance of making good choices in his life, right? And that's how it comes down to. And me just want you. I just want you to stay strong that way there. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. More temptation and thing I will come at you. That's just a reality then when you're in a certain settings and thing. But yeah, man, just stay strong, same way and make good choices, same way.
Yeah,
And
man.
about that, you don't need to go over this. So. You don't need to go over this.
No, bro.
Trust me, you don't need to go over this. And it's not necessarily easy, but you still no need to go over this. Yeah? Yeah, man. All right? Yeah. But you say one other thing. You didn't say one other.
Yeah, me I tell you, say, the reason why you see me still like this, you know, me get to understand in Raga, is because, me no growing up parents in Raga, me make whole heap in my young days, and my brother grow me, you know, my brother have quit fit front on police and come raise me and my little sister, you know. You understand?
Jaja.
And I what day me hear my little sister say one something say, he no grow with him brother, he no grow with me. He no know suicide of family. I people them don't watch you know. Me I say, what you just say a while ago? And your brother literally quitting job from you when you're 6-5-year-old and they send you to basic school and make sure you're straight and make sure things are going for you and you come to America and want to feel like you want to do criminal justice and you're ready for your higher. So I go say, you don't know your brother because you don't have different father.
See.
So sometimes people really lost them way, you know.
Yeah, a reminder. Probably she look a bit too young for fully appreciate it, you know.
Yeah, man, me have to sit down and when me sit down and talk to her, she say, Tevin, you know, say, I no lie, you tell, but me I say, it might not be 5-7 years when in your life, or 40 or 10 years, but it was there at the time when you need him.
Exactly.
You understand? Me I say, he make sure you're not there on the street, you're not on skettle, you're not gone on no club, you're not gone on nothing. You got Chevy and private school and you come out and you have your good education.
Well, nice, Chevy and prepper and now I'm going to criminal justice now.
Yeah.
And so him lay the foundation for you.
Yeah, man, but our father, wife take her. You understand?
Okay.
You understand? So she now go to say them the people that she know because she end up there with them for 115 or 120 years. You know there's something come down.
Okay. All right.
So who did it? You can't burn no bridges in a Raga. You can't
indeed.
You have to split the justice where it's supposed to split.
Right.
You understand what I say? And you see, to me as a youth now, when me have to grow myself, me not gonna say me perfect, you know. Because if you never do the wrong thing, how do you know it's wrong? How can you know the thing is wrong if you have not done it?
Right.
You understand what I say? So me make all
no man, me hear the positivity in your voice and thing, and me hear your message and thing, and me just want you maintain that, sustain that, push forward. I me expect excellent. But before you go do, I want to ask you something about somebody in the TamFam, yeah?
Yeah.
And like, I want you to give her some, what stay there, so one Yo, cuz, me I do a show you, me I go shout you back here.
I get it. No one hears.
No, man, that cool, man. All right, cool. Because of that, you know, me have to make him know, you know. Real G them. No, but hold on, no. So, me I just want to ask you something, all right? And again, me just a change, you know, me kind of pivot a little bit and whatever, because I look a bit of craziness. So, this woman here, in the TamFam, right? Every time she get a good man, she lose the man because she have this fetish. Wait, your mother not hear me.
No, what you call fetish?
You know, I look a thing where them enjoy, where, you know, to give them some kind of satisfaction, right?
Yeah.
So every time she name Avalon.
Yeah.
Every time she get a good man, before she run upon him, she said the man have to suck off her 10 toward them first. So some of the man them not depend on something. What the advise her for them?
Who that advise her, you see? So she have to learn to not live by fear rule alone. Because if you want to live by fear rule alone, you'll never find nobody, you know, because you're alone in the world. So you see, if a man don't like suck off her too, she have to learn to work with that. You understand? To end up with somebody, because me I go tell you now, Raga, these last days, them are people that we are born now, you know. Not suck off, not even nipple, much less too, you know.
Hold on. Before we done,
a season brush them, and all kind of sitting there.
No, you know what say? No, me G. Me go disagree with you this, you know.
Yes, my father, man.
No, hold on. Make sure your mother not hear me.
No, she not hear.
All right. Me go disagree with you this, you know why? From my research.
Yeah.
Compared to 15, 20, 30 years ago. The sucking thing turn up here now, man. What you talk about, man?
street, I hide and lick now, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
I hide no for them, I hide and lick, you know, because me I tell her something now. Yes, that's why me I tell her, I say she have to learn to adjust because man, we say she don't suck too, but by she go there and there with him 2 days, the man start suck all foot bottom. So you might never know. You might never know. A
No,
man
but
might
what go on there so with her? Again, she in the church, she named Avalon. But why this kind of addiction to that? What go on there so that she can turn her back on good man and thing because them not what go on this?
Not a man, we willing to do anything for her, you know. You understand what I say? A man, willing just see her and willing to do anything for her. But true, she go say the suck to her now is a big turn off.
It's a big turn off.
It's a big turn off from the man right there, so the man ain't gone.
One man did say him would work, you know, just suck one eye too. And she said, no, him have to suck from the big toe to the little toe and thing like that. And the man said, you're gone too far and whatever. So it's some kind of obsession she have right there, so what she need.
It's a turn off. Just like one man can turn off a woman.
Yeah.
A woman can turn off a man too, you know, man. You understand? You understand what I say? A man, I'm not going to say she can't get no man, but bringing up the suck toe in the first book of the page is a turn off. The man
it's a turn off. Yeah, this early suck toe.
He don't want to read the book again. The book, he don't even want to read the book there.
I mean, never see I told them, you know, I don't even know if I told them look too wonderful either, because I could all that go on, you know, I could all I told them.
I wonder if they look good right now. I wonder.
The two of them could have chamba, you know, and she did there want people come from.
Good now, father.
You ever see all some hot dog on the grill and want cook out the one them when nobody never eat and them swivel up on the grill and I could have one and two. Yeah, you look a swivel up black stay bad one them when nobody no want. I could have
freeze
two of them. Yeah. I could have them to she come with them look a two of them and whatever, you know. And a girl, you know.
I can talk about somebody.
And she never yet even pass in front of a nail shop, much less go in there, right? She never even walk past a nail shop, much less go in there. So a girl, when I get her pedi and all these things, you know, she for go man.
She need to understand herself.
Yeah. She need to go man.
Because as me I say, you know, you see, when you get a man, if me I go look at a woman, you know, I want a woman will go down low, you know. You think me I go up to him and say, baby, you know, say me want to go down low door. No. Me I go try to tame her in first.
Yeah.
And get her in and get to know her, and then me say, look, you know, me might can run certain joke with you, you know.
Yeah.
But I kind of like that thing there, you know.
Yeah, man, and broke her neatly, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You can't see people, boy, pick me a walk by road and tell them, say, like, man, we suck off too.
Suck off for two, she don't have no manners whatsoever. Yeah, wanna, she don't have no etiquette, she don't have no toe etiquette. You understand? Yeah. A girl, she look for a man, she tell, she not no toe etiquette. I look for a man and about, I find you sexy, your lips look like they would wrap around my toes really nicely and think, turn off a man, them man, think. Idiot thing that she come with and think. She in the chat, she named Avalon, she in a chat, all crosses.
Avalon, me no want to see her promised land, no time at all. Avalon, I pray so me get a plane and not a one.
Yeah.
Pass that land.
No, that's your word. General, I love your energy. You know the thing when whatever, you're full of vibes. Big up yourself here, sir. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
What I think is blessing this to me right now.
It goes so bad. Respect and honor, man, all right?
Yes, I'm as my father.
My respect, sir. Cool.
Every time.
Right. I'm a lie, I may feel away, but we try help you, yeah? So if you look for anything, we try help you. Alright, so we get a piece of this thing, you know, people. So just listen and people. I'm not going to play everything and whatever. So I'm going to play a piece of this before we switch over. So listen this.
This is show bad.
Alright.
Anyway, more and get one little mix up. I'm going to fly down, come here, about 3 years now, about 3-4 years now.
Yeah.
Anyway, I fly down for one funeral, right?
Yeah.
One of my little cousin drop out, so I come see him thing and we die him 9 night.
Yeah.
Anyway, long story short, well clean and thing I 9 night and there and the two girl and them a dance up and a drink and I enjoy themselves. Anyway, tell when I got them some my girl I like you know, so I put a fuck for you anyway, real quick.
All right. Like I said, this is raw adult content. And for those of you who don't know, I know this might be a little bit abrasive and harsh for some of you. And again, it's not for everybody. And then this was this is from 14 years ago. Again, this is from 14 years ago. What you're listening here is from 14 years ago. I'm going to play the rest of it and others when we go in the sub live. But I take great pains to explain this to for those of you who might be a little bit aghast with what you're hearing. And I'm being honest with you, this is nothing to me. I deal with this. I grew up around this and nothing. This is nothing to a lot of people. Them grew up around this type of language and so forth and things like that. And the purpose of this platform was for people to be able to speak freely. There is an entertainment element to it, but also there's an educational element to it. Because a lot of people think couldn't know what's going on in the world and don't know what is going on out there. Now, so when you listen to this, if you're not used to it, I would suggest that you not be preoccupied with the shock elements of it for those of you who are shocked by it, but rather to just take the opportunity in the privacy of your own space, to say, all right, let me listen to some of this, what this is going on. You don't have to tell people that you're listening. You don't have to tell people that you listen to Ragashanti's slackness. You don't have to do that. You can keep it to yourself. Or you can listen it with somebody who would likewise not judge you. At the same time, simultaneously, if it's not for you, it's not for you. And I'm aware of that. If you find it disgusting, that is okay. If you find it appalling, that is okay. If you're disappointed that I listen to this, given my, what enough people always say, is educational background and whatever, if you have that type of stereotype or you want to typecast me that way, that is okay, I'm still going to live my life anyway. But I'm saying I respect you not liking it if you don't. I don't like everything. I don't like everything. So I don't expect somebody to like everything either, all right? But again, there are people who appreciate this type of content and the opportunity to speak freely and not be inhibited in their utterances on matters associated with sex. And that is the purpose of a platform like this, including its entertainment value and educational in the sense like just the exposure, like, whoa, this is what's going on out there. At least you know. So I'm going to go over into the sub live now, finish listening this and the others, and take calls right in the outer order sub live. I'm appalled, clutch ears, but continue, please. Sherry, you crack me up. Right? All right, we're in the sub only live now. I finish.